Happy New Year, happy 2021. Can you believe it? We made it. You made it, I made it, we made it together. Congratulations. It's so exciting to finally be in 2021 and have 2020 behind us. I know a lot of you, again, had a rough patch last year, both personally and professionally, but now is the time, my friends, to turn the corner. Now is the time to be enthusiastically engaged with your life. And maybe that experience that you had allowed you to, I don't know, reset some priorities, to get an understanding more deeply about what's really important in your life. And now, here's the trick. Take that understanding and implement the right strategy. Do something about it. Have those relationships you formed give you the understanding you need to implement the strategies you know you must do. So yes, you can lead and inspire and deliver excellence. You know that's the BUILD framework. You know I'm here to help you grow and expand personally and professionally any way I can. Reach out to me if you need any assistance. I'm cheering you on. 2021, here we come.